Are you looking for an upper body exercise that not only will help you build muscle, but challenge your conditioning and muscular endurance as well? Then this video is for you. All right, I came across this exercise. I honest to God don't even know what they're called, but I was watching some YouTube shorts where these wrestlers from Georgia, the country, not the state, were doing this exercise. I just call them walking curls. Now, it's not really a bicep exercise, and it's definitely not a leg exercise, but it helps out your core, your shoulders, your traps and upper back, your forearms, your biceps. It's an upper body exercise, don't get me wrong. Now, what you're doing, you take a step, you curl, but it's not meant to be a strict curl. You're almost shrugging, curling, and raising all at once. You do one side, you dip down, other side, up, other side, up. If you look at the videos of how these Georgian wrestlers did it, they were literally doing a form of curl for their arm endurance workouts. I wouldn't call this a bicep exercise. This is a upper body exercise. Don't pigeonhole this exercise to be something for an individual body part. Now, can you do these with dumbbells? I suppose you can. I've never done it. It won't have the same feel. You try it out and let me know, but I just really strongly don't think it'll have the same feel. So how I like to do this, I like to do this for distance. Let's say I'll do 20 yards, that's one set. Or I like to pick an amount of steps that I'll do each side. So let's say I'll do 20 steps altogether, so 10 steps aside. Where to put this in your program? I would put this later in your workout, or you could even do this as some form of conditioning. Maybe you want to push the sled and alternate with this and pushing the sled. You have a nice conditioning exercise for your lower body and a nice conditioning exercise for your upper body. Or I would say maybe put it in the last third of your upper body workout, just almost as like a finisher, muscular endurance, things like that. So if you want to implement this exercise called walking curls into your routine, go ahead. Great for muscular endurance, great for grip, forearms, biceps, upper back, shoulders, and a little bit of your core. What else could you ask for? Try it out. Let me know how it goes.